Hey, you guys, we're going to take a look breaking this down. So same as example one, it says Rita has a savings account with a balance of, and then it gives us that money amount, $15,733.55. It pays 5.5% interest. And this time the interest is compounded every day. And then we need to know the ending balance at 4 years if no other deposits or withdrawals are made. Okay, so we have our principal, our rate, our end value, and our time all listed here. The only one that I'm really going to change ahead of schedule is this 5.5. And that's because I'm going to go ahead and divide it by 100 first. So I'm going to go over to Desmos. And so I have 5.5 divided by 100, turning this into the decimal 0.055. You guys, I'm just going to make a little note down here. My R value is 0.055. We know our principal is $15,733.55, a very specific amount. We know our time value is 4 years. And we know that our end value, it says that it gets compounded daily. And if something is getting compounded daily, we're just going to use 365. And that was in one of the first slides that you should have already looked at. So if you did not look at those yet, go back and look at them. It gives you all the compounding options. So I'm going to plug into my formula, the B equals. It looks like my principal, and I'm going to squish this in 1 plus my rate divided by n to the nt, okay? So plugging in that principal value is 15,733.55. I hope you guys can read that. We know that our rate, we changed it to be 0.055. You got to divide it ahead of time. It makes life easier. We know that our end value is 365. And we know that our exponent is to the nt. So I'm going to keep that 365 as an exponent. And this time, my time value was 4 years. So in parentheses here, I'm putting a 4. I'm going to go over to Desmos. You guys, sorry, it looks like we couldn't see my decimal point in the principal. So we're going to go over to Desmos and copy this in just like it looks. So $15,733.55. That's the amount that was in her account. We're going to open those parentheses. 1 plus the rate, 0.055 divided by the compounding. Compounding happens every day. So every day they're adding interest to that. Okay. 365, close those parentheses on the outside of the fraction. I'm going to raise it to the power of n, which is 365, times the time value of 4 years. And that's going to give me an ending account balance. $19,604 and then 0.885. Since that third number is a 5, I'm going to round this 88 cents up to 89. So 19,604.89 is going to be my final balance. You guys, so we started with that 15,733.55. After the 4 years with all the interest added to it, my new balance looks like 19,604.89.